Tingon na. Wish you good health, wish you wealth, and more years to celebrate. And may you enjoy this day with your friends and your family. And we hope to see you soon. Magbakasyon mga dito sa Pilipinas. We love you. God bless you always. Bye.
Hi mom, I want to greet you a happy birthday and take care of yourself always, okay? And don't skip your meal and just enjoy your day. Happy birthday ma, love you.
Happy birthday, Apo Udang. Ingat ka, love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Loida. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Odang. More blessings to come and birthday. And good health. I love you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Auntie Loida. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Odang.
Wishing you good health, peace, and happiness on your 60th and always. Love you.
God bless.
Blessed birthday, Ate Loida. Wish you good health. Enjoy life. Thank you for everything.
Salamat,
Love
Ate
you.
Loida. Sa tanan-tanan niya, bulig ninyo kamo niya sa nga magmayanghod. Ag salamat man kay nung Ronnie ag sa imong mga unga. Nga una gid kamo nga gabulig sa ako niya pamilya. More birthdays to come. Enjoy sa imong special day. Good health. More blessing to come.
God bless us all.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Loida. May God continue to give you a good and excellent health and long satisfied life. And I pray, may God divine protection and covering of the blood of our Lord Jesus Christ be upon you always. For truly indeed that you are a blessing to your family and to many. The best is yet to come. Happy birthday once again, sister. I love you with the love of the Lord, and God bless you all the more.
Hello, my loving sister. Happy birthday. Happy 60 birthday anniversary. Sana may enjoy mo ang birthday mo. Membro ka na rin ng SC ngayon. God bless you always. Sana bigyan ka pa ng ating Panginoon ng maraming birthday, lakas ng pangatawan. We love you so much, my loving sister. I love you.
Hello, Ate Odang. Happy 60th birthday. You are certified now as senior citizen. Wala naman sa itsura. Makakaparing bata. Na edad lang ang tumatanda. So, wishing you more birthdays to come, good health, and may God continue bless you. We love you. Happy birthday and enjoy your natal day. God bless you always. Love you, Mama.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Odang.
Happy birthday, sis. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. At lalo kang pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Ingat ka lagi dyan. I miss you.
Happy
I love
60th
you.
birthday, Tita
Happy birthday.
Odang.
Happy birthday to you.